Hello students. How have you been? How you are doing with Introduction to Emerging Technologies Splendid course? Hope you are doing great. This is Daniel from Emerging Technology Course Coordination Committee member. Today I'm here to briefly introduce you with how to submit your assignments from the LMS. Actually, in major sections, the assignments are ready. We moved from chapter 3 to chapter 6. So as a sample, I will show you on how to submit that assignment from this section 15, social science. Majority of social science sections are already ready. The rest from natural science side, it will be get ready for tomorrow. So the deadline also to be extended into the January 31st. So you do have 6 days from now onward. You can start working on that. Primarily the submission, just note that while you are submitting your assignment, make sure that you are in group of 5 to 7 students. Maybe if you have already pre-established group, you can proceed working on that group, but within this range. At most 7 is optimum. Maybe if the existing team members are a bit exceed from 7, probably you can communicate with your course instructor, and the course instructor can do something on your behalf. Second, all the assignments must be submitted by only and only by the group leaders or the assignment team leaders. Unless a multiple submission would create the problem, especially for instructors to evaluate it. Suppose if there are 11 groups in a section, so only 11 submissions are expected. Beyond that, we will never accept. So make sure that you are submitting via only your group leader. I will show you how to do that. Please don't submit for trial. Some of you, in your ORA question, you have submitted like any arbitrary string xxx or just give me my mark, blah blah stuff, kind of, which is not good. This is actually a professional environment that you have to be curious while you are submitting something. For those of you who submitted out of context kind of answer for the ORA questions, probably we will allow you for resubmission by communicating with your course instructor, so you can resubmit unless it will be evaluated as 0. So let's navigate to our today's video purpose. Actually, earlier the assignment was here in chapter 3. Now we removed it from chapter 3 and it is moved to chapter 6. Here in chapter 6 we have group assignment. It is to be considered as one question from this chapter. This chapter is the chapter that we will give you assignment, and there is no exam from the 6th chapter. You only consider your exam from the 4, 5, and 7. 3 is already it was considered in your mid-exam. 6 is considered for your assignment. 4, 5, and 7 are for your final exam. So be serious to submit this. It is gonna be evaluated out of 10. So there are 2 case study questions, and it would be evaluated as a single question and to be evaluated out of 10. So I am in a student view mode. I will just open this one, group assignment, and it navigates me to the contents. As you could see here, it is displayed in this way. So right here, we have already specified who will be the submitter, who would be submitting this, to be submitted by group leader. Other leader, it is not allowed to be submitted by someone else. Right here, we have, as you can see here, to be submitted by the group leader still. There are certain, actually this deadline is to be considered as January 31st. You can consider this January 31st as a deadline. You have to thoroughly read what is specified here. Primarily, only group leader is responsible to submit on behalf of the team members. PDF file is acceptable, even though there are images to be, but image is not to be comprehensive. So better to use a PDF file. First, you have to download the attached document. We already have attached the PDF file. You download it, and then you read it, you do your assignment, and then finally you submit it down here in the Aura response prompt. Make sure that you are working on the group of like 5 to 7 and submit your work before the due date. In mobile version, you might not see this one. It is not to be displayed in this way. So rather, what you're gonna do is just let you download it here. You might not see this preview. So if it is not available, don't worry about that. Just come and download it here. Download and then read it. When you download it, it will give you like here. This is the assignment questions. So there are instructions, there are guidelines with regard to the submission on how to. Mainly we focus on this one. Actually, only one person should submit for per group. Multiple submissions are not allowed. Make sure that you have included this all information, like name of the team members, the ID number, the system username. The system username is like, maybe if the user is Ababa, maybe Ababa A or Ababa K 1 2 or 2 1 kind of stuff you do have. You just have to specify it here. Finally, your role as a team leader and as a member. This is just the general format, and then the content goes right here. So while your instructor is evaluating your assignment, would consider the formatting, the instruction given here, and the content of your answer. As you could see here, the question is given in a case scenario based. Like the first case have like 6 questions. The second case has like 4 questions. So you have to attempt all the questions properly and then organize your answer in a Word document and convert that Word document into PDF. Finally, you just upload it once you get ready for submission. Let's get back to the LMS. As you can see here, once your file is downloaded and read by, and then you prepared your assignment answer, now you are ready to submit. To submit it, just scroll it down right here. Here we have graded assignments. This is the Aura response place where you have the prompt to write. I will show you. Like you have to upload. While you upload it, you just have to write the description mainly. Unless you write the description, it won't accept the submission. So don't forget to specify something, text. First, you have to choose the file that you are planning to upload, which is your assignment answers. Therefore, choose file and then write the description and then upload. Like choose files, the file is to be uploaded. Suppose if I am having this as an answer, actually this is the question itself, or this is just the guideline. Okay, lab guide. If I have to submit this as answer or this one as an answer, so I have to select one of them. Let's say this one is my answer. So open it. Right here, there is a place where we can write. If you upload it directly without writing something here, a description, it won't do that. Like, gives you error. Please provide a description for each file you are uploading. So I have to come and write. This is our group 1 assignment response or answer. In short, you just write this one. If you want to explain more, you can write anything that you have to that describes about your assignment submission. And then now upload. After writing this, you upload file. Yes, indeed. Now it is ready here. The uploaded file is here. Before you submit it, you do have one chance. If, for example, if you uploaded wrong document, you do have one chance to delete, or any number of, it could be before submission. You can delete the file and then select, you have to choose the file again, you have to write the description and then upload the file. And this way your file is ready. Now it is the final stage. Once you have submitted, it is not going to be allow you to resubmit, because we are preventing what? Multiple submissions, especially from a group. In case if you do wrong submission by the team leader, by the group leader, by communicating with your course instructor, you could do a submission and you have to inform by whom it is, by which group member is submitted. The ID must be identified by the course instructor in order to correct your assignment. So right here, let you submit your responses and move to the next. Now it is submitted, right? But not yet, because it is not yet confirmed. You have to confirm. Yeah, it seems like you have submitted, but not yet. So make sure you click here, confirm. So click here, confirm. Now it is already sent. Your assignment is completed. So you were waiting for what? You're waiting for your grades to be evaluated by the staff or the course instructor. Once the course instructor is evaluated and then graded it, you can see your grade. But so far this activity, this task is group assignment. It is not going to be evaluated here. And please don't expect for all of you to have a response from the LMS side. Rather, you will see your results, the final result of your assignment in your SIS. Maybe for your information, the group leader would have a feedback, the evaluation feedback. That feedback is only for the sake of knowing your results as a group member. So in this way, you can submit your assignments. You do have like 6 days, and make sure that you submit before January 31st. Make sure that submit your assignment only by the group leader or the team leader. Other than the team leader, it is not acceptable. Thank you very much, and just enjoy your assignment.